Kapamilya actress Ivana Alawi revealed that she's now in a relationship with her non-showbiz boyfriend. In a report by TV Patrol, Ivana Alawi said that her relationship with her boyfriend has just started. "My heart is happy. Ayaw ko namang sabihin na super happy kasi syempre start pa lang so, happy," she said. Ivana refused to give details about her boyfriend for privacy purposes. "Non-showbiz. Selosa kasi ako. So hindi magwo-work kapag showbiz," she said. "Saka magulo. Gusto ko ng private relationship," she added. When asked what are the qualities she likes about her boyfriend, Ivana said, "Alam mo ang nagustuhan ko. Wala siyang kayabang-yabang. Saka, kasi ang number one na nakaka-turn off sa akin yung mayabang. Ayaw ko ng ganon. And super blessed and happy. Feeling ko, malapit na, pwede nang mag-asawa." Char. She laughed. The FPJ Batang Quiapo star said that her boyfriend already passed the test from her family. "Of course, it's important. Kailangan siya pumasa sa mommy ko. Well, hindi lang sa mommy ko but also with my whole family. And advice ng mommy ko ay, wag kang laging magmadali and wag mo ibigay ang lahat," Ivana shared.